Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed problem in your Android. Start the video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Instagram is not working or your Instagram is not opening and it's showing couldn't refresh feed error, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the apps. Just tap on see all apps. Here you need to find Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. You can see here storage and cache. Just tap on this. Once you need to tap on the clear cache. After that, if you know your Instagram user ID and password, you can tap on clear storage. If you don't know your Instagram user ID and password, you don't do this option. You just need to go back. If you don't know your Instagram user ID and password, you should not click on the clear storage. Then go back and check whether your Instagram is working or not. Still it is not working, and tap on the Play Store. Then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. Then go back and check whether your Instagram is working or not. Still it is not working, then you need to wait for some time because it may be a Instagram server issue. If it is a Instagram server issue, it will be fixed automatically. You need to wait for some time. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed error on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.